Stop. Do not scroll. This is not motivation. This is not coincidence. This is a message about your success, and it is urgent. Listen carefully. You have been wondering why your efforts haven't matched your results, why you work harder than others, yet progress feels delayed, why success seems close, but never fully in your hands. And you asked silently, God, am I doing something wrong? Hear me now. You are not behind. You are not unlucky. You are being prepared for a level of success that cannot be rushed. If I had given you success earlier, it would have crushed your peace. It would have surrounded you with the wrong people. It would have turned your gift into pressure. So I slowed it down, not to stop you, but to strengthen you. Every delay sharpened your discipline. Every closed door protected your focus. Every quiet season trained you to depend on me, not applause. You thought nothing was happening, but in the unseen, your foundation was being built. And here is the truth you must hear today. Your success will not come from chasing. It will come from alignment. You are about to step into a season where effort finally meets reward, but only if you stay steady now. Do not quit. Do not compare. Do not rush the process, because what I am preparing will last longer than quick success ever could. Stay with me. Part 2 will reveal why someone who doubted you will soon recognize your value, and why your breakthrough will feel sudden but was planned all along. Listen carefully. What you are about to experience will feel sudden to others, but you know how long you've been carrying this weight. People around you thought you were slow. They mistook your silence for weakness, your consistency for stagnation. But they never saw the private battles, the discipline no one praised, the sacrifices you made without telling anyone. And here is what I want you to understand now. The same people who doubted your pace will soon be confused by your progress, because success does not announce itself early. It arrives when preparation is complete. There is someone who underestimated you, not out of cruelty, but because they could not see your future. Soon, they will notice a shift, not in your words, but in your results. Opportunities will start coming without you chasing them. Doors will open that once ignored you, and your name will be spoken in rooms you were never invited to. This is not luck. This is timing. But hear me clearly. When success begins to move, do not explain yourself. Do not prove your worth. Do not remind people of how they treated you. Let the work speak. Because what is coming is not about validation. It is about responsibility. You are being trusted with more influence, more provision, more impact. And part 3 will reveal what mindset you must protect so success does not pull you away from who you are becoming. Stay focused, stay humble, stay aligned. Your moment is closer than it appears. Now listen even more carefully. Success will test you in ways failure never could. When things finally start working, when your efforts are noticed, when doors open faster than you expected, this is where many lose alignment. You will be tempted to rush, to say yes to everything, to prove you deserve the moment. Do not fall for it. Not every opportunity is an assignment. Not every invitation is for me. Some doors open to distract, not to advance. Protect your focus. Success does not require noise. It requires clarity. You will notice something changing inside you. Your confidence will grow quieter. Your decisions will become firmer. You will stop seeking approval and start trusting discernment. That is growth. But hear this warning. Never sacrifice peace to maintain progress. Never compromise integrity to gain speed. And never forget who you were when no one believed in you. Because the same discipline that carried you through obscurity must carry you through visibility. People will suddenly want access, advice, credit, connection. You do not owe everyone an explanation. You owe yourself obedience. What I am building through you is meant to last, not impress briefly. And part 4 is critical because it reveals how to steward success so it multiplies instead of fades. Stay grounded, stay listening, and do not let momentum replace wisdom. This is the final instruction. Listen closely. Success is not given to consume, it is given to steward. What I place in your hands next will grow only if you guard it. Guard your habits, guard your time, guard your character. Do not return to old patterns just because life feels easier now. Ease can quietly undo discipline if you stop paying attention. Remember, you did not arrive here by accident. You were shaped here. So stay teachable, stay humble, stay consistent when no one is watching again. There will be moments when you are praised, moments when you are elevated, moments when others call you lucky. Let them. You know the truth. It was obedience. It was patience. It was faith when nothing made sense. Do not let success make you forget dependence. Do not let applause replace alignment. If you keep me first, I will keep you steady. If you stay obedient, I will keep you protected. If you remain grounded, I will keep you growing. This is not the peak. This is the foundation. What comes next will be built on how you handle this season. Walk forward calmly, move wisely, and trust me completely. Because true success is not how high you rise, it's how long you remain whole when you get there.